Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover file operations. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover basics of file operation. I have declared pointer for file. Opening the file using fopen function. Fopen function has two parameters. First parameter is file name with path. Second parameter is mode. Modes available are R, or read mode, W, or write mode, A, or append mode, R+, or read and write mode, W+, or read and write after truncate mode, A+, or read and write in append mode. Closing the file, using fclose function with parameter as file pointer. In the next program, I am going to cover file string read. I have declared character buffer of size 500 to store strings. Open the file in read-only mode. We can read string from file, using fscanf function, which reads till space is encountered. Also, we can read using fgets function, which reads till end of file is encountered. Closing the file, using fclose function. In the next program, I am going to cover file character read. I have declared character C to store character. Open the file in read-only mode. We can read character using fgetC function, and reading and displaying the character till end of file is encountered. Closing the file using fclose function. In the next program, I am going to cover file string write. I have opened the file in append mode. We can write string into file, using fprintf function, or using fputs function. Closing the file using fclose function. In the next program, I am going to cover file character write. I have stored the string in char array str. Stored length into integer variable len, using string length function. I have opened the file in append mode. Writing the character into file, character by character, using fputC function. Closing the file using fclose function. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on C program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon, so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.